Hi my gardening angels, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Jess. Today I'm going to be just kind of going through a little bit of my mail with you, and it will kind of give you a little bit of an idea of what's going to be coming up in terms of videos for these next few weeks. So first off, let's just kind of jump into it because I have a few fun things that I also want to show you in this video. But I have my monthly subscription box from Sipsby. This is my August box. And what came in it was an antioxidant tea, a super berry, a type of gray tea, and berries and hibiscus. And I did already break into this, and I had the berries and hibiscus one, I think. Yeah, the berries and hibiscus, and I made an iced tea out of that, and it was so delicious. And so these are just kind of fun. I'll include a link down to it below. If you guys want to get more into drinking teas, this is a great option because they'll send you just a different one or they'll send you 4 different teas every month. So I'll include a link down below to that. Then one of my most favorite and exciting projects that I have going on is a review of Homegrown products and kind of a test run of their seed kits. So Homegrown was kind enough to send me 3 of their seed kits. I think they only have 3 currently, but they have a Homegrown herb garden, a cactus and succulent box, and then a bonsai ones. And all these boxes are empty because I've already opened them up. But it's really kind of fun, and I'll go more into detail on Homegrown and the products that they sent me in kind of an updated review. But I have all of their products growing right now under my grow lights, which I do want to show you because they are so cute and they're doing so well. So with the bonsai one, you get 4 different types of trees. And then with the succulent and cactus, it's a mix of different types of them. And then with the herb, it comes with cilantro, parsley, basil, mint, and chives. So I do want to show you these because it comes with everything: the pot, the soil, the seeds, and little tags. So I'll just show you one of each. So this is the basil. They are starting to grow and they're perfect. I've only had these in for, well, what day is it? It hasn't even been 15 days. So it's probably been, I don't know, 12 days. So the basil's doing well. This is one of the bonsais. That's the name of it. But look at them. They look like little pine trees right now. They're so precious. And all 3 of them germinated, which is great. And then the other one is my succulent and cactus, which I think this one will be a little bit more difficult to see. But you can see that they're starting to come up as well. And like I said, this has only been 12 days. So these are doing really good. And I'm very impressed, especially with the succulent and cactus one, just because succulents and cactus do take such a long time to germinate. So I'm really excited to give you guys a full update and kind of what my thoughts are on these growing kits. And I want to wait just so that you can see truly how well they grew, and then I want to be able to kind of help you, troubleshoot if you need to. I guess I can probably take this guy off of this one because they're big enough now. So aren't those just the cutest little bonsai trees? They grew super fast, so I'm really excited. So anyway, that is Homegrown. We're kind of just flying through this video. So I also have a new humidifier that I'm going to be trying out. This is the wiekurt ultrasonic air humidifier. It is a top loading humidifier, whereas my other one that I currently have, the Alecombs, is a bottom one, so I have to remove the top for it. But it is also a diffuser, which I usually don't use the diffuser setting on my other one, but I needed another humidifier, and so I'm excited to try this one out and see which one I like more. I'll be doing a video on this one since I know a lot of people, especially you guys growing houseplants, I know everyone's kind of interested in humidifiers because they are also good for you. As long as you're using the correct water and making sure that it's safe, humidifiers are really good for your respiratory tract. So I'm going to be trying this one out. I guess we can open it and I'll show you what it looks like. I haven't opened it up yet. It came with a little remote, similar like the last one did. but this is it here. It looks like it has a little bit of a smaller tank, but it is very pretty as well. So I'm excited to give this one a shot and see how it does. I always will take more humidifiers because I just think they help your plants grow so much better than without a humidifier. All right, so the last thing I wanted to show you are these two hanging planters. So this is a company called Emerging Green, and they are a company that is really trying to focus on sustainability and creating products that are natural and good for the environment. And so these here are their hanging planter options, and I'll include a link down to these below, of course. But they're beautiful wicker baskets. So in this video, I actually want to take these outside and transfer my current hanging plants into these ones. I think that'll be so pretty on the patio. That is the only male that I have, so let's run outside and plant these up. All right, so these are the two planters all hung up. I threw in this Kabloom Super Tunia in it. I think they look really cute and will do perfect in this spot. These are just my irrigation drips feeding down to them. But isn't this a really pretty color with this pot, this orange here? I just threw these in. I had some extra on hand, and I think they just look really good in these pots. All right, so that is all I have for you guys today. I'll include all the links down below if you're interested in anything. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.